Alright, time to take a look at the TIG finger. They make two different sizes of this. There's this size, which is the normal size, and then they also make an XL, and then they also make a pack. Now this is exactly what I was looking for. So the main purpose is to protect you from heat, but the thing that I really like about it, and I can tell already, this is a material that's going to be able to slide on surfaces very nicely. I'm not sure what this is. I don't think this is a cotton. It might be. Yeah, it doesn't say. But whatever it is, like the purpose of it, you put it on a finger and it's got different lengths. So you can just kind of pull this thing out or push it in to get whatever length that you want. Then you can stick your finger in. Then you can use not just this, but also this to help to protect your finger. So you can lay this directly on the table, hold your TIG gun, and you can slide back and forth on that metal without burning your finger. And the thing that actually made this a sale for me, I was watching one of Jody's videos and he had the XL version and he had his wrist on it. And he was using that to kind of slide left and right. So you don't even have to use this for the heat. You can literally just use this as a sled. So for me, that is going to be a big deal. So I've never tried this. I desperately want to try this out. So I'm going to head to the shop and play around. So yeah, overall, I am very happy with that. Like, nice protection. I really like the sliding action this gives me. This is a fantastic little tool.